Oh, this is Chacha and this is Pichi. They are two of my babies. Look at them. See? Oh, they are so cute. They always play together. And because they are like mag sisters. Look at them. Huh? Oh! Look at that. They are such beautiful little puppies of mine. They're such beautiful little babies. Halika, liting! Let's follow them. There she goes. There they are. Can you see them? And those are the doves. I mean the pigeons. Look at that! Oh, she's line of the stubber. And this is the snake. See that?